Hello everyone, you're welcome to Learn Maths with me. In this channel, I'll be taking you through in-depth tutorials covering a wide range of topics from basic arithmetic to advanced maths. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. If you've got any questions, kindly drop it for me in the comments. Today we want to take a look at prime numbers, and by the end of today's lesson, you'll be able to know and identify a prime number whenever you come across it. What are prime numbers? A prime number is a positive whole number with only two factors, and that is itself and 1. So a prime number has got just two factors, which is 1 and itself. For example, 7 is a prime number because the only factors of 7 are 1 and itself, which is 1 and 7. 1 multiplied by 7 will give you 7. There is no other combination of numbers that you can multiply with each other that will give you 7. So we'll say that 7 is a prime number. Here are the list of some prime numbers that we have. We have the number 2, we have the number 3, we have the number 5, we have the number 7, we have the number 11, we have the number 13, we have the number 17, we have the number 19, we have the number 23, and we have the number 29. Now, in all these numbers, the only two factors that they have are themselves and 1. So 4, for example, is not a prime number because 4 has more than two factors. 8 is not a prime number because 8 has 4 factors, and that is the number 1 itself and the number 2 and 4. So you can multiply 2 and 4 to give you 8, and you can also multiply 8 and 1 to give you 8. So 8 has more than two factors, so 8 is not a prime number. So any number that has just itself and 1 as its factors are prime numbers. Now, if you take a look at the list of these numbers here, you discover that apart from the number 2, all the other numbers are odd numbers. The only even number that happens to be a prime number is the number 2, and that is because 2 has itself and 1 as its factors. Non-prime numbers are numbers that have more than two factors. The example 4 has 3 factors, which is 1, 2, and 4. We can multiply 4 and 1 to get 4, and then we can also multiply 2 and 2 to get 4. So we can see that 4 is not a prime number. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can also feel free to share this video. If you've got any questions, please drop it for me in the comments. Now, I have a quiz for you. The question here says that, is 1 a prime number? The number 1, is it a prime number? Remember the definition of the prime number, and our definition is that a prime number has two factors, itself and 1. Now the question is that 1 itself, is it a prime number? The answer is no, 1 is not a prime number. The reason is because 1 has only one factor, and that factor also happens to be itself. So 1 does not fit into our definition of a prime number that says that a prime number has two factors, which is itself and 1. Here is also a challenge. Can you list all the prime numbers between 21 and 50? Please feel free to drop your answers for me in the comments. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.